Good evening, guys. So we're doing late stream. Uh, got a bit carried away today. Didn't promise myself to do progress every day. I'm gonna stick to it. I actually got invited to watch a screener of a friend's movie today, so I couldn't pass that up. Get the VIP treatment, I guess. See if I need. But I'm gonna do some progress. Promise. So it's gonna be a shorter stream, maybe 1.5 hours or something. We're gonna work on the first room, hopefully complete it. We'll see. And yeah, let's just jump right into it. I'm just gonna, I guess, throw out my link as well. Let's see if we can get some. Oh, hang on. You can enjoy the music while you wait. All right. So let's jump into Unity. Hi guys, got my coffee. Cheers. So where did we end up? Where did we leave off? Well, we did. I guess we finished up this drone puzzle, and the next part was actually already done. So I only needed to activate that. So just for the sake of understanding where we are, let's play through the ending here. So what do I need to finish the puzzle? I need the small plant. I'm gonna pick that up. Just gonna dock my action list editor here. I also need the oh, what happened? Something broke. Oh, phew, scared me. All right. So I'm carrying the screwdriver, the cultist robe. So I'm gonna need to carry the small plant as well. So here we are, the small plant. Carry on start. I need the turbolizer with blood in it. That one. And I also need the twine. So with all these items, I should be able to complete the first puzzle. So alright, let's start it and see what happens. Alright. I need to activate the drone as well. So I'm gonna Alright, so now I should be able to use... Let's see if we can get past this. Scan works. And yada 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 yada. I'm gonna remove that. All that dialogue, it's too much. Alright, so we actually fixed it. It should change color to red, actually. This guy, he needs to be, see his pupils are, he has his angry pose now. So what happens if I move here now? So maybe I might break everything. We'll see what happens. Okay, so I need to change. I think I missed by mistake. Yeah. So I need to update the instead of playing the angry animation, I need to change standard to the angry animation. So I need to hang on. I'm just gonna pop up my little notepad here. See if I can find it. Where did I put it? Oh yeah, actually, hang on. Oh, not that one. Let's see which one it is. Here we go. Alright, so here's my my notepad. So add. Okay, so this was once from yesterday. So what did I just say? Alright, yeah. Drone issues. Change standard idle to angry after attack. Alright, moving on. This place should be destroyed. This is still in there. Okay, so we can fix this. This is mostly polished, so I can probably skip that maybe. We'll see. Yeah, maybe. But I should be able to pick this one up now. I should also be able to combine these to make a knife. That's not a knife. Can I use, what happens if I try to do this? Not sure if it's worth anything. I don't even know who it is. Okay, so what if I inspect it? Who is this? She looks so familiar, alright. And who's this? I can't make out the name. There is dirt and grime covering the plate. Wonder if I have something to wipe it down with. Wipe it with. Okay, I need to fix the spelling errors. See if we can clean this up. Eureka! This is Catherine Avant. Avant as in Avant Industries, Maxwell Avant's daughter. I knew I recognized her. I've learned what I can about this painting. So I should probably flesh that out a bit about some history behind it, but now I can't inspect this anymore. I already know it's a picture of Catherine. It's a painting of Catherine Avant. She's one of the cult's most revered members. So now we know. So we can use that information. Alright, so now I have a picture of her. Painting of Catherine. So I think this is as far as this puzzle goes right now. So I need to Because I still can't pass the robot. He will shoot on sight, but he won't shoot on. Yeah, you guessed it. He won't shoot on Catherine. So how do I do that? Should I just add a trigger and check if you're carrying this one? That should probably be the easiest way to do it, right? Just automate it. Make it a fun thing. Or maybe... Do I have a variable that checks which side the robot is on? I think I do, right? Local. Battle drone is on right side. True. Why do I have two? I only need... Oh, never mind. So does this one change if I... Let's see what happens if I go to... Yeah, I'll see. It changes to false. So this one changes to... That is really... This is old me, not knowing how... Hi, Greggy. Hi. I'm talking to myself, as we lonesome streamers usually do. Let's see. Where was I? Yeah. So this is old me, not understanding how variables work. Of course, I only need one variable. That is the drone on the left side true? Then it's on the left side. If it's false, it's on the right side. I don't need two, but now, yeah, I've already done it, and I probably integrated that in a couple of action lists, so I'm gonna have to keep this badge of shame of poorly used variables from old me. But what happens if I go to the right side here? This one changes to true. This one should be changing to false. Yeah, okay, so that works. So I can use this variable to make this interaction happen, I guess. And I also need to add an animation for that. So maybe we just do it. Okay, we skip the animations for now. So we just set up the puzzle that if I use this on the drone, it will let me pass. Okay. Stop the game. So, are you still watching, Greggy? How's the volume, by the way? Is it okay? Okay, cool. Thanks. Okay, so we need to use the drone. So I'm gonna do a use interact. No, inventory interaction. So we're gonna do the painting of Catherine. Create. We're gonna do a walk to marker. Yeah, sure, shoot. So do I need a walk to marker? No, I don't. So I should probably, because I don't know if I'm gonna move this thing around. The what? Uh, I don't know. I actually haven't noticed this until you told me. There's, okay, so look, sheets, shards of glass, twine, Turbolizer, toolbox, so hotspot, painting. I don't know. I haven't noticed it until you said anything. What happens if I save my project? Huh, what's that? Let's find out together later, shall we? See. Honestly, I don't know what it means. Uh, Saturnine probably does. I only have it on. Why? Huh. Yeah, it could be. Is it because it has an ID? Yeah, maybe. It could be that they have been assigned a constant. It seems to match up. Oh, it could be that they are saved in. Yeah, that's probably what it is. They're being saved. Um, yeah, they have the remember component on them, so you can easily see if these objects will retain its position if you save and load the game. That's probably what it is. Because this one has the remember visibility, this one does not. So that's probably what it is. I don't know, but it kind of adds up. And oh my god, if that's true, I have a lot of remember things I need to add because all of this is missing. Yeah. I really need to do a huge save load game pause on all my items. I haven't done that. I've always been pushing it forward. I don't have a good work flow for that. All right, where was I? Yeah. Okay, yeah, we remove the walk to marker. We don't want to do that because we might have to want to reuse it. So instead, we're gonna do it with an action list. So if no, that's not. Yeah, we can do that. So first of all, we're gonna check a variable. I always save the top one. I don't know why I do that, but yeah, it's just been a thing I've been doing. Variable, check. It's a local variable. Is the battle drone on the right side? If the condition is met, go here. If it's not met, go there. Change this to red because it's a negative. Change this to green. It's positive. So what do we do if the battle drone is not on the right side? I guess we give an error. So we do a character, move to point, is player, but I'm gonna do need to add a point, I guess. So we're still gonna move here, I guess. No, I shouldn't. Can I use this marker? What's it called? Sys idle battle drone left. So I'm gonna reuse that one. That's probably not good to do that, but yeah. So go there, wait until it's finished, and then say something like, I don't need to go that way. Or and if it's in the right position, I should move to a marker that's on the right side. So maybe we should add one. What's this? What kind of marker is this? Yeah, let's use this one. Right. Marker on right side. Okay, walk there, wait until finished. Do a dialogue as player. Okay, let's hope this works. And we're gonna do an engine wait. Gonna put a comment on this. Change standard to holding painting of Catherine. Character. Move to point. We're gonna need a new point. We're gonna do a marker here. Marker 2D. Safe right side. Something like that. Gonna put it here. And then the character is gonna change standard to normal walk. And the character is gonna comment on it, say, hey, it worked. And now we're safe on the other side. Very cool. So what I'm gonna do now we shouldn't, ooh. Yeah, we need to move this. Okay, so we need to copy this trigger because now, once we pass to this point, to this side, we don't want to be able to go back. So we're gonna have to stop the player from going back. So that what we'll do is we'll use this trigger because this trigger makes the player go to this point here. So we're gonna create a new, copy this trigger, but move up, put a point over here so you can't do basically the same thing but on the right side. So the inspector window, so we look at this one. So this one should react only during gameplay, which is very important because that means that the cutscene moving us from this side to this side won't trigger this. So that's a good thing. So let's make it a bit smaller. We don't need it that big. And now I think we should just be able to basically copy this, right? So let's, where is it? Let's duplicate it. Trigger, save from drone on right side. Something like that. I just want to get this finished. So this one is the same, only during gameplay. Now we can actually, no, only during gameplay. And it's gonna move the character to a point. Now it moves the drone to this point, of course. It moves the character to the safe spot on the right side. That one. Wait until finished. And it says, nope. I'm not going back there. And that should work, right? Maybe. Oh no! No, 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 no. Oh, I goofed up completely. So let's duplicate this again. This is why you should always use the action list editor. Save from drone. Right side. Move it here. Okay, so now we go with the action list editor instead. Let's see, how do I open this in the action? Because this is a variable check, isn't it? Yeah, there we go. So it checks, is the battle drone on the right side? If it's not, then it does all of these things. But if it is on the right side, which it should be. All right, so this moves the, this was a long time ago. All right, so what happens here? It checks if it's on the right side. If it's not on the right side, it will teleport the drone to the middle marker, so it gets closer to the marker. Then it's gonna set the variable to the battle drone is on the right side. Then it's gonna move, translate, checks the camera, makes a sound, move to point, moves the drone to the marker, and the player moves to the safe right side, and it says nope, I'm not going back there. And that should be it, right? And if it's on the right side, it should only play the the character runs to the right and says nope. Nope, I'm not going back there. And it says drone on the left side set to false. All right, so this should work, kinda, maybe. Have I done this right? I don't know. So let's see what happens if I give myself the painting now. Does this really work? Let's see. So basically, if I try to move here, it should spawn the drone, right? Yeah. Nope. I'm not moving there. Can I move to this side? Why? Did I remove those? Oh yeah, I did. Didn't I? Yeah. Never mind that. Anyways, if I move to this side now, and I use... Okay, let's hope this works. Bop, 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 bop. Hey, it worked. So now I can. And... Nope. Nope. Alright. What happens if I walk here? Haha! Some bugs. I guess the drone was pointing he was looking in the wrong direction, so I should probably in this. I guess I already have that selected, yeah. So we should actually battle drone, play custom, back, look left. Do I have a look right animation? It's been so long, so I can't even remember. So if I mark this, oh yeah, I do. Why don't I use that instead? So it's gonna be looking on there. It's gonna be right. So it's gonna look right and be angry with us. And I guess I'm gonna do the same thing here, right? Where is it? There. Okay, so now if I move, no, I can play the game from here. So I can spawn the drone. I can use the painting. Now it looks on the right side, that's good. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is this trigger is using, it's moving to where's that camera? So I have this camera here. So I'm gonna move this way over here. And in this action list, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna do some magic. Oh yeah, it's gonna play the exit corridor cutscene. So it switches to this camera. This is really, can I arrange this? Yeah, here we go. Okay, so character face direction left, it switches to the look over the shoulder camera, it transitions in 2 seconds, I could probably make that 3 seconds, then it waits. No, what it's gonna do is actually, it's gonna it teleports the where is the teleport? When is that happening? Looks clear, character point exits. Oh, I made a okay, so we're gonna do poop. So it's actually this action list. Why am I put this in a separate one? That's very stupid of me. Okay. So it teleports the drone to this. I'm gonna copy that. I'm gonna move back to the this one. And I'm gonna do that here. So I'm gonna paste after. So the thing, what I'm after is that if I stand on this side here, so I'm gonna move. It should look here, and when the camera pans back, the drone is gone. Let's see if it works. First of all, we need to spawn the drone. Nope, I'm not going back there. So then if I go here, it's gonna pan the camera over here. And it goes back, the drone is gone. Phew, looks clear. And she runs with the door. Alright, cool. So I guess we kind of have all the whole scene is basically done now. It's a complete mess because it's the first scene I ever did, and instead of redoing it from scratch and doing it right, I kind of patched it together just to be able to put it behind me. So yeah, this is a very bad tutorial in how to do. Oh man, look at all this stuff. Yeah. As you see, this trigger is 3 or 4 action lists running each. Oh, it's ugh. But it works. It works. It works. So when I do this, she should probably say looks clear. And no guards are chasing me. Hmm. It's obviously it's not clear because there's a huge drone there that blocking off your escape route to that. Phew, made it. That'll be fine. So, I guess what's left now is this cutscene here. This is only gonna be a cutscene. It's not gonna be any gameplay elements, so it's gonna be a cutscene. So I need to, I guess, figure out what I want to do. She's gonna walk up here. She's gonna be surrounded by guards. Are these NPCs? No, they're just sprite, right? Yeah. These are NPCs though, aren't they? Yeah. Yeah. The action lists are gets crazy sometimes, and I think I have just a couple that are really big. My problem right now is that I have too many of them. I have too many cutscenes that are, well, it's not too many. You can have as many cutscenes as you want, but I have cutscenes that are intertwined in a very stupid way. So this is a good example here that I have this trigger runs an action list instead of using it like so. Why don't I put it in here? I could run the actions here. No, instead I use run a cutscene. I run another action list, and in this action list, I run another action list. This one, which was a test I did. That's called click to test if the animation works. So that's bad. You shouldn't do that. Yeah. But this scene was basically my first, as I said, I've said it many times. It was the first thing I did, and it was basically how I learned AC. So there's a lot of experiments going on in here. These things here. This is how I've solved a lot of, yeah, you can see the panels, how they work and stuff like that. So yeah. But yeah, now I'm almost done, so I can put this behind me and start working on the other scenes finally, which are much more, they're optimized and beautiful to look at. And very good, yes. So anyways, player moves in, something bad happens. So we could probably remove these sprites, I don't need them. The player stands here, has a dialogue with these guys, I guess. So when does this trigger? Does it trigger? Let's see. When does that dialogue trigger? Let's get out of here. Action list. Oh, see, it even runs another one. This one. Switch to stairwell. So the camera fades out. It teleports you to spawn stairwell. Changes the camera. Walks you to the marker. Switches to this one, and then it runs the action list. Stairwell guards. This one. Ah. So this is what's happening. So we have two guards. Guard on the right. So put that on the right maybe. Silly boy. So they should basically be speaking to each other, I guess, and to you. Just gonna say, halt, don't move. Why do I have this in parallel? Can't I just do a... Why? Cut this. Just do a regular engine wait, 0 seconds here. Put this here. Play it in background. Paste after. This should be the exact same effect, right? Probably. So we're gonna spawn the game from this. Start the game from here. From now on. This is also, I should have done this in a completely different scene instead of doing it here, but now this is live. So yeah. So we're standing here. Play the game. And this... What? Why don't... Hang on. Why won't you speak? What if I... Okay, let's try it again. There's only one of them speaking. Halt. Halt. Oh, so there was a reason for me doing that. You can't do it like that. Okay. Learn something new every day. So back to as it was before. So we do an action list, run in parallel. Put this here, the left guard and the right guard, and then we can move on from one, I guess. So this should work now. So if I press play and I hit run, yeah, both of them talk at the same time. Cool. I need to move the conversation bubbles and stuff like that, but I'll do it later. All right. So what's gonna happen here? They say halt. I guess the character will animate, play custom. Now I need to remember all the animations I did, so we're gonna move back here. Actually, that's the reason I have my player prefab here, just so I can take a sneak peek. There's a surrender. Oh, I haven't added that one. Do I need to actually add that animation as well? Linear cover idle. Yeah, I guess I need to... Huh. Alright. I'm actually gonna do that because that's not too much work, to be honest. So let's start Steam. Start up a sprite. And of the player sprite template. This is the animation we did yesterday. Let's see if we can find our surrender animation. It should be here somewhere. No, it's not. All right, it's not. Okay, Greggy, have a good one. Uh, hmm. Help. Where did I put it? In here, maybe? There we go. It's that one. Ninja's Render Idle. So I don't have that one here. Okay. Alright. So we add it. It's gonna be easy because it's the same one as the cover one. This one. So let's just add a new layer. So surrender idle. I'm gonna add this one. It actually has the wrong colors as well. I don't like. Gonna have to fix that. Here we go. So the surrender idle is, I think it's only 2 frames. Yeah. It's this one and this one. So we're gonna take this one as well. So grab this frame, put it here. No, that's wrong. Why? Oh, it's this one. Sorry. So grab that one, put it here. Now we have a 2-frame animation. Change the colors. There we go. Hide this one. Okay, so we have the surrender animation, the idle animation. She's just gonna probably just do a... Let's do it. Let's just call it surrender. It's getting crowded in here. Then we can actually use this one. I will do the talk animation. Just a quick, simple one. Like so. Yep. That's fine. So now we need to export these. So we're gonna export them to the, is this the right folder? It is. Funny if I already had these in here somewhere. I don't think I do. No. So Ninja surrender 1. And it's gonna be, god damn it, change this tag to 3. Tag 100% displays. Yes. Could probably export this one while I'm at it. It's 10 frames. Gonna do that one. No, right. So I'm exporting this in, yeah, okay. So now we have some stuff to play with. Just gonna import these. We need to do the crunch on them. Need to remember where I put it. So 128, none, point no filter, hit apply. All right. Okay, so back at it. So the guards scream halt. The character goes into, let's open up the animations here. Oh, I need to create the animations first. Oh, forgot about that. Sorry. I'm really doing some stupid mistakes. Not mistakes, man. I think I'm a bit tired. It's been a long work day. So we have the Ninja cover idle. So which one do we need? We need the surrender. All right. So Ninja surrender animation. Boop boop. Add that one. Find the surrender. It's this one. And that's basically just... Did I forgot to change the pivot point? I did. Okay, I'll fix that later. Never mind. Well, maybe I can actually do that here. Can I? Pivot, pivot, bottom. Apply. Ah, here we go. Fixed. All right. So we have the Ninja Surrender. It should actually be called Ninja Surrender Idle, but let's do another one. Ninja Surrender Shake Head. We're gonna use these two. And it's basically just gonna be... Oh no, I have to... Not this one. So move that to 0.05, copy that, put it there. This should be a shake head animation, kinda, but it needs to be slower. Like this, maybe. Yeah, that's good. Good enough. And then we need to create a new animation. It's gonna be called Ninja Surrender Talk. Save. And we're gonna use the first and the third for that. It's gonna be the same here. Pull them out to the, I guess like so. Yep, that's fine. So we have the animations done. So player walks in, guard scream halt. First thing that happens is that the player goes into idle, goes into cover. So Ninja cover idle. Ninja, ooh, Ninja. Showing my window here. Cover idle. So if this works, let's just test it quickly. So she hides. That works. So now we're gonna do set standard, I guess. So we're gonna try this. Because now if I do a dialogue here, so if let's do dialogue, and it's you'll never take me alive. What happens if I press play now? If I run this, it won't be animating. It won't animate. So we're gonna fix that, hopefully. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna character animate. No? Okay. Which one is it? Animate this player. Set standard. Talk to Ninja cover talk. Ninja cover talk. So that should fix it, I think. It's been a while since I did this. Let's see what happens. No, it doesn't work. Why? Is it because the... Hang on a minute. How did I do this the last time? I did spell it right there. Yeah. Huh. Why? Is it because I'm doing... Do I need to also... Okay, so if I do a... Let's copy this. Okay, oh, yeah, right. So let's copy this. What happens now? Nothing. What does the console say? Yeah, so this won't work. Hmm. I wonder what I did wrong. What does that animation look like, by the way? I never checked that. Oh, it works. It's a bit fast though, but it works. Hmm. Alright, time to check how I did this over here. Did I fake it? I probably did fake it. So we check the... Oh, where is it? I can't even remember where it is. It's probably... Ugh. So it's this action scene here. It runs this. Runs this action scene. Action list, I mean. Then it runs the intro. That's a conversation. Then you break free. Then it runs this conversation. And it runs these. Okay, so now here we are. How does... Oh, for fuck's sake. I'm faking it. I'm actually faking it. That's not good. I need to fix that. How do I do that? Is it expecting a prefix on my animation? Is that why it doesn't work? Maybe. But I should be getting an error in the console if it didn't work. So why am I not getting that? All right. So what if I go to my animations? Why are they in here, by the way? Okay. So what if I do like that? Ninja talk down. So I'm just trying something here now. What if I do like that? Then I set it to Ninja cover idle, I set to Ninja cover talk, and it says to never take me alive. And then I do a character face direction down. Is this the key to the castle? Maybe. Probably not. I'm just randomly doing stuff here, hoping it sticks. Nope. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Did I just... Why is it changing the... What is going on? Because this works. Alright, so I'm gonna fake it until I've... So I'm gonna do, okay, screw it, you win. Stupid game. So I don't really need this anymore. So I'm gonna do this. Play custom Ninja cover idle. You'll never take me. And then I'm gonna... Off. Crying out loud. Alright, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna fake it. I'm sorry. Guards yell halt. We're gonna play the custom idle animation. We don't need this. We're gonna copy this. We're gonna paste it after. We're gonna play it, that one. I'm gonna do an any wait for 1 second. I'm gonna play that one. You're gonna say, "You'll never take me alive." And then we're gonna go back to this. Basically, that should work, I think. So that's a lot of time wasting. What the deuce? What now? What's now? Why? Okay. Yeah. You'll never take me alive. And this goes back. Okay, so that works. Okay, it works. It works. And I can stop this now, right? Yeah. All right. So we'll do like that. It's not as good looking, but yeah. All right. And I guess what happens then? Yeah, the guard opens fire. Let's see. Let's clean this up a bit. Let's see. Sorry. Move it here. So now we need to find the I guess we should do some kind of funny dialogue between the guards now, right? So the right guard, I guess. So we do a dialogue, play speech, and it's gonna be the rightmost guard. It's gonna say, "Do we shoot her?" And he's gonna actually, let's see, object, animate, sprites unity, play custom. We're gonna use the, ooh. Ah. Well, that's not good. They both have the same name. Okay, so let's see. Which one is which? Guard stair. Guard stair. Okay. Guard stair. Left. Guard stair. Right. Okay, now. So we're gonna do the play custom from the right guy. He's gonna do the it's gonna do the talk, and it's on the name talk, and it says do we shooter. Copy this, paste after, go back to idle. I don't need to do this. What am I doing? They already have idle and talk animations. Because... No, they don't. Wait a minute. What this... Why aren't they talking? There's something fishy going on here. So we have... So the sprite here is... see, this is an NPC. So we have this guy. Where's this NPC? Let's see. This guy. He's an NPC. Oh, he doesn't have a talk. That's why. Idle. That's why. He has no facing directions. Yeah. So his expected animations should be idle and talk. Alright, so this should work now, right? God, oh man, doing this while I'm tired. Yeah, see, I can speak. I can talk now. Oh man. So I can remove, let's see. Remove that. And remove that. Alright. Same goes with this guy. Poor fella. He also has an idle animation and he has a talk animation. There we go. So he says, do we shooter? The left guy says, boss said to bring her in alive. And this guy says, hey, you. Get your hands up or we shoot. And we have the player dialogue. This one, play speech. I'm gonna copy that. And we're gonna do I heard you. You can't shoot me. You can't kill me. Okay. I heard you. You want me alive. I heard you. You can't kill me. And actually, I need the whole animate player thing as well. So I actually should be doing this. And I should be pasting this here. Let's delete this one. I heard what your friend said. You need me alive. And the I guess we do some awkward silence. This guy says, "She got you there, Bob." Warning shot then. Warning shots then. And then we do wait 2 seconds. We do action list running parallel. We copy this. Oh, yoink. Copy. Paste it. Warning shots. Oh, warning shots. And then we do the, do we have the animation ready for shooting? Yeah, so does that loop? Let's see if it loops. So we have animations. Where did I put that? Yeah, so that one loops. So we're gonna play these. We do an, I guess, let's see, object, animate, sprites unity, play custom. So we do the guard on the left, and he places shoot animate. Oh, sorry, shoot. And the guard on the right does the same thing. So this see what this looks like. I've actually just realized I haven't been showing you my action list, so sorry about that. What? Hey. Whoa, why aren't you shooting? What? Shoot? Play? Okay, we have a problem. Why aren't you shooting? I'm having some really weird animation issues, I feel. So I'm gonna copy this. I'm actually gonna plug this in. Let's see. My neighbor calling here. Okay, so let's unplug this, paste. Just do this. I just want to see what happens. Character animate for crying out loud. Ah! Ah! Oops, I did it again. Okay, sorry. Character animate guard on the left. Play custom. Shoot. Delete this. Copy. Paste. Card on the right. Silly boy. This should work. So let's just run it and see what happens. And they start blasting. It works. Alright, great. So Bob and Bob 2 starts shooting. So now we should probably, I guess, spawn some explosions and stuff like that. But we're gonna do that. So okay, so we're gonna like so. So this is gonna be a break basically. So we're gonna add a color to this, put it yellow, make a comment on it so we can really see it. And this spawns bullet impacts. What happens now? Yeah, the player character is player. It's gonna be surrendering. So it's gonna play the Ninja surrender animation. Let's see, those were ended up in the wrong place, right? Ninja surrender. Here we go. Oh, they probably didn't. Okay, never mind then. Okay, so it's not looped. So it plays the Ninja surrender. waits 1 second. Copy, paste that. Place the Ninja surrender talk. We do a dialogue. Player line. And we go like, stop. I gave up. Then we put this one after. Copy. Paste after. And now these guys stop shooting. Paste that after. Running parallel here. So should they keep shooting? What's she? So maybe the right guard says something like, what did she say? This guy doesn't say anything. So what did she say? Oh, they're gonna keep shooting. The guy on the left says something like, I don't know. I can't hear. And now I guess both of them go hold fire and they stop shooting. And they go back to their character, animate. I guess the left one plays his idle. Idle. And the right one plays his idle. I'm not sure if this works. We'll see. We'll see. That worked perfectly. And I guess do a dialogue. The right guy says something like, can you repeat that, please? I said I give up. And the, I guess, Bob 2 should comment on that as well, I guess. Guard on the left should say something like, no, to yell. We can hear you just fine. And the, I guess the, should have some guy on the right come in here and do something. Do we see the whole screen here, by the way? I think we do, right? No, we don't. Okay. Maybe I do in a... if it's in a wide screen, that it's a bit... Yeah, we should probably spawn in a sprite here with an animator on it. Oh, alright, I need to export that first. So we're gonna save this one. Do I even have a file for this? I don't think I do. That's not the one. Do we have any guards? No, we don't have any guards. We need to make guards. Scene guards. I don't have. Okay, so we need to create guards. Guards in stairs, starries. So we'll need make a new one here then. All right, new file. 128 by 128. I need to grab the. So where's the gun? Which one is the gun? Oh, it's that one. Okay, it is that one. So what's this? Okay, so it's these two layers. All right, so let's flatten it. Now some merge down. So let's grab this one. Probably put him, try to center it. Doesn't matter, this is just a sprite. Not gonna be using it for anything else than this. And he's gonna stand on. It's gonna be a 2 spriter. He's only gonna be having 2 frames, so never mind. Delete. Onion layer. So something like that. All right, that's fine. Let's export this to let's see, scene 1, corridor, NPCs, Cardamom, PNG, and it's gonna be a guard with rifle. 1. All frames. And now we should have the guard with rifle. We have these two, so we're gonna put them on none. 128. Point, pivot, bottom, apply. I'm gonna drag this little bad boy in here. I'm gonna put him in the right sorting layer. I put him really far away actually. Also, we're gonna give him an animator. We're gonna put it in the, should probably put it, oh no. Where am I? I can tell I'm really tired right now. There we go. So this is guard with rifle idle. Now guard with rifle shoot. No. Idle. Always start with the idle animation. That is the idle animation. Uncheck loop time. Guard with, why is this happening? Guard with rifle idle, and now we have guard with rifle shoot. And it's gonna be this animation, and it's gonna be loop time. All right. I'm making this very basic just to finish it up. I'll polish it later. Well, yeah. So we should probably add a I guess some kind of thing. Should I make this guy an NPC instead? I should, shouldn't I? Yeah, guard with rifle. You need to be an NPC because I need to have dialogue with you, and you should probably have a talk animation then as well. All right, let's do it. So let's do let's do a character wizard on you. You are an NPC. You're gonna be a guard with rifle. You're gonna be animated with sprites, Unity, finish. Avant-garde with rifle is his name. And you have been moved somewhere. Yeah, there you are. I'm gonna move you over here. I need to create a camera. So do we have a camera that I can place here? Where are all these cameras? So we have the stairwell camera. So I'm gonna duplicate this. Right. I'm actually gonna move this here. Might have to prolong this, make this corridor a little bit longer so you can't see it. That will be worth it in the end. So now we're gonna do a camera shake. Camera shake. It's just for 1 second. Now we can actually do it 0.5 with like a 1 intensity. We're gonna play I don't have a good sound for that. So we're actually gonna mark this yellow. Sorry, I'm not showing it again. So we're marking this yellow. The comment. Add sound for door closing. So I'm gonna have a door closing sound here. We're gonna do a camera crossfade to the switch to the stairwell right. I'm gonna do a transition time of 2 seconds. I'm gonna wait for it to finish. We're gonna do a dialogue, and we're gonna do the avant-garde with rifle is gonna say, "What's going on in here?" No, it's gonna, yeah, what's going on? And I guess the player should change animation now to the surrender. No, now I need to add the getting shot stuff, yeah. Didn't I add those? I thought I did. Ninja. Ninja shot. Yeah, so I'm gonna do a first an idle animation, then a talk. I need to add a talk animation as well. So let's go to sprites, Ninja. No, sorry. There we go. Let's see, where were we? Ninja, shot, idle. So we're gonna do that one. Ninja shot idle is gonna be basically just, I guess we do these two maybe? I think that's fine. Is it? So what does this look like? So what if we just draw that out to maybe half a second? Sounds like this. What does that look like? Yeah, it's actually kind of cool. The leg holding it. I am kind of curious what happened with the... Oh, I didn't I? God damn it. Again, with the... Alright, here we go. Bottom. Boom. Did I get them all? I think I did. Yep. So now it should work. Yeah. Alright, so on this animation we also need a talk animation, so we're gonna add a new layer. We're gonna put this one here. The next frame is just gonna be her head moving down. Like so. Now she talks. We're gonna do a 2-frame tag. We're gonna export this to the Ninja shot, right? Talk. All right. So we should have two new. These two. So put this. Do some crunching on these. Put them in the bottom. Apply. Okay, so we have the Ninja shot idle. So now we do a new one. Oh, this song. Which song is this? I like songs with vocals for my game, so yeah. So we have a Ninja shot idle, and we have a Ninja suit idle. So we have the Ninja shot talk animation. It's these two. Copy that, put it there. Put it there, pal. Now she can talk. We're gonna move it up to slow it down a bit. There we go. And we also need actually getting shot, I guess. Just why we did all this in the beginning. So Ninja shot. Boom. And it's gonna be all these frames. Huh. Aces, man. Aces! Slow it down a bit more. Yep. Actually move this one like this. Cool. Cool beans. Loop time. Right. Can animate this. We have a lot of animation to do. So we've done all the animations. Okay, so the avant-garde says, what's going on in here? And he can't actually talk, can he? Can he? Scene. See if I select this guy. Huh. Okay, so I goofed up a bit, but I'll get back to it here. So let's see, where's this NPC script? Okay, so his idle name should be guard with rifle. Idle. Yeah, I know. Let's see if we did it right. Guard with rifle idle, yeah. And I guess I don't want to run, I don't want to walk. He has no facing directions. He's just standing there. I guess it could be a talk, just talk. Yeah. I think this works. So is yeah. Yeah, he needs a talk animation, right? So we have Garwood rifle. So we're gonna create a new clip. We're gonna call it. We're gonna call it something else. Let's see. NPCs, guard with rifle, talk. So I'm actually gonna use these names because if I use this just a simple one, it's gonna get mixed in with all the others. It's gonna be hard to find them. Why? Oh. So like so. Select the sprite. Guard with rifle talk. And now we have the rifle guy. Did I fix these, by the way? Yeah, I did. So I have these two. So now I need to animate him talking. It's this guy. So let's add a frame here where he talks. Let's see. All right. Something like this, I guess. And if we put that under that layer and then we can move it down, then I can merge it. So now we have a talk animation and blah 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 blah. Oh no, that wasn't what I wanted at all. Yes, it was. That was exactly what I wanted. I want to move it down and I want to that's what I want to see. Blah, blah. Now he talks. All right. So we export this frame. We can only, I guess it's enough if we do guard with rifle 3. Oh, console, sorry. Export. Only the selected frame. It's in the right, yeah. Guard with rifle 3. Export. There we go. Should pop up here. Yep. Bottom, apply. So now he talks. He should use his idle animation. Move it to 20 and yeah, now he talks. Cool beans. Check the action list editor. So now this guy says, what's going on in here? We do maybe 1 second is fine. Copy. We switch back to the camera in the stairwell. I guess Bob, he's the leader, says, we have apprehended the intruder. I have apprehended the intruder. And then the other guy says, Bob, it was a team effort. And he says, okay, we have apprehended the intruder. Then we do a camera crossfade back to the guard with the rifle, and the guard with the rifle says, wrong. I have apprehended the intruder. And then he animates the guard with rifle, does his guard with rifle shoot animation. And then we should probably use our newly created talking thingy. So let's see, shot is the name of that one. So it's Ninja Shot Idle, Ninja Shot Talk. Yeah, all right. Character is player animate, play custom. It's called Ninja Shot Talk. Dialogue is player. Don't shoot. Or can't we talk about this? I should switch the cameras back before I do that. So paste after. Wait until finished. Can't we talk about this? Are all of these wait until finished, by the way? Yeah, cameras. Yep. And then engine. Make it Yellow. Add laser beam or whatever. Oh no, we shouldn't. We should actually. Whoop. Put these in the wrong order. It's dangerous. It should be like this. Then copy that, paste. We go back to idle. That's better. Then we do a wait, 2 seconds, add laser beam. We do the character, animate, is player, Ninja, shot. Wait for, I mean, 6 seconds, fine. Camera, crossfade. Oh, I guess fade out in 2 seconds. Wait until finished. So let's run this and see what happens. It's gonna be a lot of bugs, I guess. All right, and that's a wrap. Scene 1 complete. Oh no, it's not, but it's kind of complete. You can finish it. Whew. There's a lot of things that need to be tuned. I guess the timings of the dialogues and some dramatic pauses. A lot of animations. We need to add some kind of laser beam that shoots out of his gun. But yeah. Other than that, I'm kind of happy. Oh, forgot we need to add the helmet bouncing off her head as well. Yeah. That's gonna be another dragon to slay. How do I get a 2D object to move, follow like a curved path and end up somewhere? Not that it matters much, to be honest. I don't really need the... Because I'm gonna fade it out. Oh yeah, maybe I should. You know, I could just fake it. Just shoot her, fade it out, and when it fades back in, the helmet is just sitting there on the ground. Yeah, I could probably do that. Or I add it into the animation as I pre-planned first. Yeah. All in all, very happy. It's not perfect, but it works. So yeah, that's it for me, guys. If you managed to stay up this late, thank you for watching. I am very, very tired, and I did some very, very good progress, even though I started late. And yeah, day 2 complete. So tomorrow, I have some stuff I need to get done in real life, I guess. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be making much progress. I need to do some boat work. Also need to clean up a bit. I'm actually gonna be spending some time in the actual office, which was ages ago, so I need to head out for a bit. Well, talk to you tomorrow. Bye.